I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Gemini and granting photo access, so edits save back to your library. Once done, tap the plus or import button and choose the images you'll work on. Start with 150 photos to keep processing fast. Make sure to pick an initial preset like Auto Enhance or Neutral to establish a baseline. This gives Gemini a consistent reference for tone and color. You're starting the workflow now rather than prepping endlessly, so proceed to the first adjustment, set without delay. You'll now refine the image with targeted tools to avoid global overcorrection. Use the brush, radial, and linear masks to isolate skin, sky, or foreground. Once masked, tweak exposure, contrast, and temperature in small increments to maintain realism. When removing spots or distractions, zoom to 100% and clone or heal precisely. Then add structure or clarity at low values, 10 to 30%, to enhance texture without creating halos. Make sure to compare before and after as you go. You finish by exporting with settings that match your use. Pick JPEG or PNG, set quality to 80 to 95%, and confirm resolution. Once done, use batch export to process multiple files and add file names or metadata for organization. If something looks off, select the problematic edit, tap Reset on that specific tool, and reapply a subtler change. If artifacts persist, revert to the original and redo the adjustment with lower intensity. That single-step reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.